Hey, this is Emma. I'm doing my Project 1 video reflection. For the first question, how did I feel about what I wrote and what did I take away? Overall, I think that my paper is well organized and accurately summarizes these six articles. From the experience of writing this paper, I am more educated on conspiracy theories as a whole. For number two, what did you want your readers to take away from your paper? From my paper, I want my readers to be able to know the gist of the article that I describe and understand my overall point of my paper. What kind of feedback did your peer reviewer and instructor offer, and how did you incorporate that? From my peer reviewer, I was told to make sure I elaborated on a few points in my paragraphs. With that feedback, I went back and I reread the articles and elaborated further. From my instructor's general feedback, I learned a lot from seeing examples of these thesis statements and ways to organize your paragraph. My go to is always devoting one paragraph per article, which is the approach I took. So I started off with like the title of the article and then described it and so on. I did that and repeated that basically every paragraph. Uh, what, in my opinion, is the aspect of the paper that leaves the most room for improvement? In my opinion, the aspect of my paper that leaves the most room for improvement would be my elaboration when it comes to summarizing an entire article into just one paragraph. I tend to be more general when I should be more specific. And it was hard because these articles were long, so it was like hard to summarize it just into a paragraph without my paper being like 20 pages long. So I tried my best. And my overall, what do I like about this paper? My favorite thing about my paper would probably be the articles that I chose because it makes the paper interesting throughout and I think that they all flow together well. So, yep, thank you.